Here on Big Pine Key, Hurricane Irma came through and pretty much devastated our little home. The further you go toward the water is the most destruction you'll ever see. I was pretty much blessed with having a standing home, even though water got to it, a lot of mold. But my neighbor, I saw her house and saw it was down on the ground and let her know that she had nothing to come back to. And there's still no electricity, no AC, no radio. My car is pretty much stuck here. Today the Red Cross came through and they were wonderful. Water, they had hot lunch. That's a blessing. All of that's a blessing, and we're so grateful.